Oh my god. We hate the harmony of the seas cruise ship. We wish ours never existed. That's it. We are destroying the cruise ship with our atomic bomb.
The bomb will explode in 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Finally, we made it back to Manhattan. Now we're going to work.
Evil David, Evil Rihan Robinson, Evil Shen, Evil Boris, Evil Blue Bear, Evil Orange Bear, Evil Yellow Bear, Evil Black Bear, Evil Red Bear, Evil Brown Bear, Evil Green Bear, Evil Grey Bear, Evil White Bear, Evil Pink Horse, Evil Brown Horse, Evil Orange Horse, Evil White Horse, Evil Grey Horse, Evil Purple Horse, Evil Red Horse, Evil Green Horse, Evil Rainbow Horse, Evil Rainbow Bear, Evil Pink Bear, Evil Purple Bear, Evil Black Horse, Evil Blue Horse and Evil Yellow Horse. Your 28 are under arrest for destroying the harmony of the seas cruise ship. Your 28 are in super deep trouble. Now come with me to the police car right now. Your 28 are going to prison until 2122.
Uitați doi out din quel donet. Tobe continue donua.